Hello and welcome. This is how to turn your pen into a mechanical pencil using the Schmidt DSM 2006. Okay, so for the two pens I use that this works on, this is the Stabilo Pointball. This is a regular Stabilo Pointball pen. Where has a pen? Yep. But it also takes the G2 style refills, which is why this works. So you just take your Schmidt, and all you have to do is just drop it in there. No modifications necessary. There's a spring in this part. You want to keep that in there. And lost focus. It's a perfect fit. Now either Stabilo. Now, for the next pen, this is the spoke design Clickstream in pink and cyan. The refill in this one is the Easy Flow 9000M. Now for this one, you want to leave the spring and the spacer on that refill. Just leave it alone. Don't worry about it. Because for this to work, use no spring, nothing. And you also got to take this end piece, flip it around, turn it upside down like that for this to work. Then now the trick with this though, like you have to click 3 times for it to stay. And then to advance it, click twice for it to stay. Because if not, this will happen. See, it goes back down again. So you want to make sure you click 3 times the first time. Stay. Then click twice to advance it for it to stay. Otherwise, it will not. And this is the spoke design. Now, I have tried the Schmidt DSM 2005, which is in this mechanical pencil. The difference is the body is all metal and it's too big to fit inside of the body of that pen. Other pens I tried that didn't work is the Parker Jotter with the plastic, and it does not work in that. If you go watch Unsharpened's YouTube video, he shows with the all metal body, it will work, but the plastic one, this nozzle piece on the inside is too small, so it won't fit. Another pen I tried, of course, this won't fit. It's the body is too slim. None of these work. Caran d'Ache, that's the regular ballpoint. Caran d'Ache is the bigger size. Doesn't work. But for the ones that will work, you can convert this Stabilo Pointball into a mechanical pencil. And I think in this body, it works because it's like a pencil anyways. And if you get the all metal body version of this, it'll work. But the plastic version will not work. But that is how you convert your pens into mechanical pencils. Thanks for watching.